Hey guys, welcome to Python programming series. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is Python. Python is a high-level interpreted, object-oriented, and general-purpose programming language. A high-level language is a language that is designed to be easily understandable by human. It uses syntax that is similar to human languages to form instructions. For example, the command print in Python, which is used to display the data, which can also be easily understandable by human. A high-level language requires the use of an interpreter or a compiler for the translation into the machine code. The interpreter, in simple terms, means running the code line by line. For example, let's say we are having a set of instructions. The interpreter reads the instructions line by line and generates the output till the point the code is correct. Python supports both object-oriented and procedural programming. OOPS concepts like classes, encapsulation, polymorphism, and inheritance in Python make it as an object-oriented programming language. In a similar way, we can create procedural programs through Python using loops, for, while, and control structures. Being a general-purpose programming language, it can be used to build almost any type of applications using the rich libraries and tools. In the next video, let's see the benefits of Python.